Here you go, Gig. Okay, Gig. Gigabyte. Flip for me, Gig. Roll over. Okay. I'm gonna get you a treat. There. Do one more flip for me. Do flip one more time for me. There you go, Gig. Now, Gig, what I want you to do now is open up this can of treats that you love so much. No, I didn't ask you to flip, Gig. You got to get it for yourself. I turn it upside down. So Gig's going to flip it over and open up the top and get him a treat out. Okay, he's got it open. Now he's got to get him one out. Just one, Gig. Okay, that's good. That's good. Only one. Flip again. Good boy.